All right, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, guys. We're also going to take a look at the ICX. We're going to take a look at KAVA, and we're going to take a look at ADABTC. All these altcoin looking to blast off over the next like a few days and so on. So we need to keep an eye on these few coins going into the last few days of the month. Okay, closing the quarterly cycle beautifully with ICX, KAVA and AST, right? So let's go ahead and hit the likes, guys. If you just joined the live stream, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and basically share the content if you find the content useful, right? So we're gonna start off with BTC. So let's go ahead and take a look at BTC. So BTC, as we've been talking about it the last few days, we've been saying BTC is extremely bullish, and price action is not breaking below the 2-day 21. So no need to be be panicking. As you can see right here, price action is looking to break out massively. No volume yet, but we could get the volume at any given time. Looking at the structure we got right here, we're already breaking it based on closing basis. So we could get a small bull flag just about 55, just about 56 to a 57 area before the next strong leg up. So things are looking pretty healthy for the bulls. So a pretty bullish market, and we could be expecting much higher prices going into Q2, right? Yes, crypto phase. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Okay, so BTC looking pretty juicy. So we need a confirmation. Once again, Sake is pretty bullish, but the confirmation we need, like we're gonna get to like a 75 to 85 with no problem, is like we're gonna need our 2-day MACD to flip bullish. Okay, as soon as we get the MACD to flip bullish, it is going to be a full mode. Okay, a full breakout mode all the way up to 75, especially the first week of first and second week of Q2 going to be pretty much pretty volatile, something to keep in mind going forward. Okay, hey, what's up, Mason? Thanks a lot for tuning in, right? So pretty bullish, guys. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, right? So daily time frame, guys, beautiful. As you can see, what we talked about yesterday was like the volume we got right here. Okay, it is lower than the previous two volumes. Okay, even though the buying pressure was very low right here, but the selling volume right here was saying, hey, we could be going higher. Even though we got initially a lower volume to start the uptrend, the sell volume we got at the bull flag range right here, right there was pretty low. So no need to panic. So that was my only concern, the low volume while price is going up. But since like we're getting low selling volume while price is going up also, it is not a big deal. So beautiful setup. In terms of channel, you could look at it like that. We talk about it like we could get a slight bull flag right here. Okay, beautiful channel, right? So even if like we retest the channel over the next like a few days, it is still going to be pretty bullish before the next leg up. It's not guaranteed. Okay, it is not guaranteed, right? We're gonna retest it. It is just a potential setup for the bears, because they're gonna be trying to short this sucker. As we said, guys, we said it, bear is gonna be striking right here, but the sell volume was not that high. So pretty good breakout right there. Okay, pretty good breakout. So let's take a look at the hourly basis, right? So guys, make sure to hit the likes, make sure to share the content, right? So on the hourly, we're still on a bull flag. Okay, we retested the hourly 21, so not breaking out yet. We got the breakout right here, right? We went live last night, right, when this sucker basically dipped down to the 1 hour 100 EMA right here and bounced right back up, double bottom, bang. Okay, So beautiful setup. So it is still correcting on the hourly basis. So keep an eye on a potential retest of the support area right here, just on the hourly. Okay, it can definitely retest the 56 range. Okay, 56.5 on the hourly basis. Beautiful breakout, guys. So what coin you guys are looking for? ICX, XRP, KAVA network, GXS, all of them breaking out, guys. I gave you guys GXS. We're gonna take a look at GXS also. Beautiful breakout on the higher time frame. We're gonna take a look at it, right? But before we talk about GXS, guys, GXS I gave it to you guys over like what, I think like 5 days ago when sucker was like 1400, right? Right now we almost like 2000. Okay, so pretty big breakout from GXS, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at BTC on the weekly basis. So weekly basis, we just starting the weekly time frame. Everything looking good. We got a good news. Okay, got like 6 more days to go. Beautiful reversal candle right here. We already above last week, opened right there just about like 57. We opened the weekly last week at 57.5, closed at 56, 55.6, right? 55.6. And right now, okay, in less than 24 hours, we back above our last week high. That's pretty bullish, guys. So we could just try to close once again on a weekly basis. All the bulls need is like to close above 59. That's it. A close above 59 before Sunday, that could potentially see like some crazy prices above like 60K the first week of April and all that good stuff, right? So let's take a look at the 7-day cycle. The 7-day cycle, we back above resistance right now, as we said right here, right? Just about 58.5, going to be 7-day cycle. The cycle going to close in 5 days, guys. So that's going to be so bullish, man. We got 5 more days. Okay, we're gonna close this. We're gonna close it on Thursday, right? So sucker got like, guys, we got like 3 more days. Okay, not 5, 3 more days. Okay, to close the candle, and we already got a full body candle. Okay, so closing above 58 within the next 4, okay, to 7 days, right? Because we just opened the weekly time frame. Remember, the weekly time frame, we just need to close also above like 58, 59, right? On a 7 days basis, we just need to close at the same time at this, at the same level. Okay, 58, 59. So 58, 59 within the next 4 to 7 days. That's going to be crazy. Okay, that's going to be a crazy closing going into Q2, right? Let's take a look at the 50-day cycle. We flipping bullish. Okay, take a look at the 50-day cycle, guys. That's why I said it, guys. I don't think, okay, the 50-day cycle going to close red. That's why I'm still bullish. Okay, that's why I'm saying like any dips right now are going to get bought up very quickly for the next like let's say 12 days. Okay, the cycle gonna close on the 10th. Okay, we're gonna get a new cycle on the 11th, right? So something to just keep in mind, guys. Hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Okay, let's moon the likes, guys. Hit the likes and make sure to share, guys. If you got a Twitter, make sure to follow me, share the content on Twitter, on Telegram, Discord, and all that good stuff. Let's get this going, guys. Let's get this going. We're going to 100K, guys. We're going to 100K. Let's get this going. Okay, if you want to make more profits, guys, make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, and basically share the content so we can go to the moon, right? I'm giving you one of the best analysis, guys. I just gave you guys RDN, guys. RDN, guys. Over 100% move, guys. Only Send Crypto gonna give you this type of setup, guys. No pump and dump, guys. No pump and dump, guys. No pump and dump. Look at it, guys. Over 150% move, guys. Crazy. Okay, and we got KAVA network coming up. We're not even going to talk about KAVA today. Okay, we got QLC, guys, ready for a potential 150% move also, guys. So make sure to share the content. Okay, make sure to share the content so we can get this going, right? So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and take a look at ICX right now. So we're done with BTC. We're pretty bullish. We know we just need to close above 59 over the next like a few days, right, before Thursday, and that's it. That's going to be a moonshot, okay? You know, and sucker gonna be pumping massively to the upside, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at ICX, guys. ICX BTC first, right? Guys, hit the likes, guys, hit the likes. There's no way I got 100 likes in 29 watching. So let me try to refresh this sucker. Okay, so it seems like one of the moon boys hit the likes 10 times. There is no way it is 124 likes with 29 watching. Guys, hit the likes, guys, hit the likes, hit the likes. ICX gonna go crazy, guys. ICX gonna go crazy. Okay, guys, I see a $10 ICX. Man, I give you I'm giving you guys one of the best setup. Okay, like, guys, just let me know if you're getting one of the best setup in the crypto space. No pump and dump, guys. I'm giving you like some crazy targets, man. Like ICX right now, it is just about like 4,000. We're looking for like 12,000 sats, guys. You're gonna 3x your BTC just by holding ICX. That's how crazy it is. Okay, that's how crazy it is. Okay, guys, moon the likes, guys. Hit the likes, guys, before we yeah, 102. I don't know if the algo is helping me out. The algo is helping me out to hit the likes or not, but maybe we got one moon boys out there hitting the likes, you know, 200 times, right? So ICX, guys, let's take a look at ICX on the quarterly time frame first, right? We're gonna start off with the quarterly time frame. Take a look at the quarterly time frame, guys. This sucker is so bullish, man. Like, take a look at it. We're gonna close the quarterly time frame, right? Remember, our resistance was like at just about 4,000, okay, 4,000 sats, and we got 4 days, right? Actually 2 days, right, to close the monthly time frame, right, and to close at the same time the quarterly time frame. If you take a look at it in quarterly basis, guys, over the last few quarters, take a look at this sucker, man. Nobody is selling. No one is selling, guys. No one is selling. Take a look at the sell volume right here, guys. Very low sell volume, decreasing, okay, since like when? April 2019, guys. That's like over 2 years. No one, okay, is looking to sell the ICX, right? What does it mean? Okay, it means like price action has to go back to, you know, April 2019 prices, 2 years prices. Okay, so if that's what we're going to be looking for, right, we could be anticipating, right, a potential pump all the way up to, guys, take a look at right here, 9,000. Okay, we talked about 9,000 yesterday. Okay, and at the same time, guys, we could be looking for a potential all-time high based on closing basis at 40,000 ICX. That's a potential 10x versus BTC. Okay, 10x versus BTC. All right, something to keep in mind. I mean, Ether is a whole, man. I don't know why. I don't know why people are panicking, but we got target for Ether, like, you know, 2,500, and we got another target at 4K, right? So no need to be panicking for Ether, right? So now let's take a look at the 50-day cycle for ICX. 50-day cycle, it is looking extremely bullish. We're about to flip bullish right here. So 50-day cycle closing above like 4,300, going to be a moonshot. And definitely, guys, we got the 9,000 target up there. Take a look at the 50-day cycle, guys, on Binance. Take a look at the low sell volume right here. That's why I've been telling you guys, stack up some ICX. I've been saying it. Stack up some XTZ. Okay, stack up some XTZ. You take a look at it on the 50-day cycle, sell volume. Okay, right there. Take a look at the next one right there. Take a look at the next one. take a look at the next one. They're getting lower and lower and lower. Right here, you can see like what happened right here, and then we blasted off. Double bottom, just like VChain. Okay, remember VChain 2019? Same setup. Okay, same setup again in 2021. Okay, so ICX is ready to go crazy. Gonna give us some moonshot going like into Q2, right? I'm not sure if like we're gonna get to like a 40,000 in Q2, but guys, even if we get to like 12,000, I'm happy. Okay, I'm happy with 12,000 right there. Take a look at it. 12,000 going to be just about a not even a 382, because 382 going to be 16,000. I think we're just being conservative, right, at 9,000 to 12,000. But sucker could blast off like all the way up to 16,000, right, within the next few days, right? So ICX looks pretty good. Okay, now let's take a look at ICX on the 2-day basis. Okay, on the 2-day basis, it is looking pretty juicy, just like in June, right? We got this move, double top, double bottom, guys. It's gonna blast off. That's it, no question asked. MACD cross bullish, so it is a strong confirmation right here. A bullish MACD, price action above 21 EMA after a flat correction, guys, especially after a flat correction. MACD crosses bullish, price action above the 21 EMA, price action looking to close above resistance, right? Above resistance right here on closing basis. Right here it is like 4,000. So 4,000, either way you look at it, from 2-day time frame all the way up to like quarterly basis, it is saying like sucker is ready to moon. Okay, it is ready to moon, right? So you want to call it a W, good luck, because it is a W, yes, but bear's gonna get wrecked playing this W. As I said, every single bullish pattern, okay, has a hidden bearish pattern. Every single bullish pattern, okay, if you're bear, you can find a bearish pattern. That's a bear. It is a bearish pattern. However, MACD flipping bullish, low sell volume, you gotta go with the highest probability, which is like a moonshot. Okay, a moonshot. So now let's go ahead and take a look at KAVA next. So KAVA BTC, we talked about KAVA when sucker was like $1. It is ready to give us another basically storage. Okay, this guy is gonna blast up. Okay, on a 3-day basis, 3-day 100 EMA, we're looking to break above the 3-day 100 EMA. As you can see right here, okay, back in October 2020, after we dipped right here, we got a beautiful support at the 100 EMA. So the same exact moving average right now, it is resisting a potential breakout. Okay, it doesn't want price to a breakout. So if we get the breakout to the upside, it could be a violent one. Okay, it could pump like 80 to 100%, man, guys, in a very short period of time. Okay, the 21 EMA been pretty bearish regarding price action, been resisting the price right there, right? As you can see right here, resistance, right, support right here, and support right there again. So KAVA is looking pretty healthy. Okay, the potential bearish setup I can find is like that it can just drop to retest the 6,000, okay, which is a potential 30% drop, right? But it is not going to be a big deal because we're not getting any sell volume. Even if it drops right here, it is still going to be bullish. Okay, it is just going to give us that double top, double bottom, just like ICX, right? And we're going to take it to the moon. That's it. We could get this move and then get this move and then blast off. That's it, right? That's the only bearish pattern I can find. Beside that, sucker is pretty bullish, right? Right here. That's a pattern I would go for. I would go with this one as of now. And if we get the flat, it is okay. It is just gonna get some more resistance right here and we're gonna blast off, right? So it is still a good hold. Thanks for that, Hugo. So guys, make sure to hit the likes, right? Hit the likes and make sure to share, okay? Share the content. and so we can go to the moon, right? So it's time to moon, guys. It's time to moon. Ether is almost like above 1820. We're gonna talk about Ether. If you haven't watched my last Ether video, make sure to go on my channel and watch my last Ether video, because we talk about Ether going to like a 2350. Okay, 2350. So now let's go ahead and take a look at ADABTC. So ADABTC, it is one of our top pick, last month, right? So it is still doing great. Okay, we talk about it, guys. We said this sucker is gonna blast up. Okay, just like Harmony. Okay, we just need to get right here. I don't think we're gonna get a strong resistance at 2000, right? But we will see, because most of these suckers, right, they do not get a strong resistance at August high. Okay, remember, I keep saying it, guys. If you're new to our content, pay attention to your August resistance, okay, versus BTC, of course, right? Your August resistance versus BTC is very, very important. Once you break above it, it is just moonshot. That's why you're seeing like Harmony. Okay, let's take a look at one. Take a look at ONEBTC, right? Take a look at ONEBTC. As soon as we break above this range, right? Take a look at sucker just went ballistic. Okay, and we talk about it, guys. We talk about it. We had a target from Harmony, right, all the way up to basically 250. Okay, it is still a good hold right here, but guys, gotta take profits, man. Gotta take profits right here. Wait for it to cool off, right? So I wouldn't sell out. Sell everything and look into a buy back, but would at least, guys, take profit. If you entered when we talk about it right here, 20 sats, 30 sats, guys, it is already 10x versus BTC. Something to basically keep in mind, right? So let's go back to AST. So ADABTC, guys, as you can see, looks pretty healthy. Okay, beautiful MACD. Beautiful MACD. Okay, no crossover yet. Okay, so no bearish crossover, no correction. Everything got done right here at just about like 600 sats. So it is already like 2x from our entry, over 2x actually, 400 sats right here. Okay, so 4x, right? We're still looking for a moonshot. It is still a good hold, right? It is still a good hold. No need to be taking profits right now, because sucker could be going all the way up to 23 and potentially all the way up to like 6,000. Okay, so ADABTC. Let's take a look at it on a quarterly basis. So ADABTC on a quarterly basis, pretty much similar to ICX. So as you can see, like, low sell volume right here, the last quarter of the year, right? Even though BTC pumped and this sucker got, dumped right here, it just dumped like to a, all-time low based on a closing basis, just like a XRP right here, right? So could not basically break below the support area. As you can see right here, we're looking to close above resistance, so we could be in this range till the quarterly close within the next like 2 days. We just need to stay at or above like 1,000. I think like anything above 1,000 sats, that's going to be extremely good, right? And on the quarterly basis, we do not have any resistance, right? If we basically going to trade this sucker on the quarterly basis, that would be going all the way up to like 10,000 right there, like 50% of the a week, right? Which is 9,000 to 10,000, right? That's another 600% move, guys. Oh my gosh, this guy gonna blast off, right? So let's see if like we're gonna be able to do it. But I'm pretty bullish on ADABTC, right? Right here, that's going to be just about like 0.786, guys. 0.786. We got 0.618 at like 7,000, 8,000 range. These are macro calls, so I'm not sure if like we're gonna get there this next quarter or something like that, but let's see. Okay, if we get there this quarter, that's going to be beautiful, because XRP might not be moving. Tezos, if Tezos still lagging, guys, we're gonna make enough profits to stack up some extra XRP, to stack up some Tezos, stack up some basically XLM. All right, so something to keep in mind. So now let's move on to GXS. Okay, GXS, we talked about it, right? A couple of days ago, we said GXS, big buy volume right here, low sell volume. So that's the first bullish quarterly cycle, right here at the bottom. Okay, pretty consolidative. Okay, now I'm not sure, once again, if cycle gonna be breaking out next quarter, but the big volume right here, guys, we talked about it 3-4 days ago before the breakout. It is breaking out right now. Looks pretty healthy. Big buy volume. That's the biggest buy volume since like October, when actually since like January 2018. Okay, that's the biggest buy volume since like January 2018. We got one right here, January 2019 also, right? So now we get another, you know, big buy volume, January the first quarter of 2021, right? So pretty healthy on the quarterly 50-day cycle. Looks, take a look at the 50-day cycle, man. Beautiful, okay, beautiful, right? So it could spike to the upside very soon, right? So now let me take a look at some of your questions, right? You know, I'm gonna take a look at some of your requests, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at Ethereum next, right? So let's take a look at CMTBTC. CMT is just moving sideways, nothing crazy. Got delisted, I think, on Binance. It pumped to the upside right here, retesting you know, support. So it is a support area right there. We got resistance right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at RSR. So RSR, we did we still got target to the upside. First target was like 170. We did hit like 169, and we're still looking for to break out much further. So it is still on a breakout mode. Very accumulative, hasn't started pumping yet. We got a dollar target for RSRUSD, so still got plenty of time, right? Let's take a look at OXD. So if you ask any question, right, and you just re-ask it, so I won't have to scroll up, right? OXD BTC. Let's take a look at OXD. So OXD still bullish. We said buy the dip right here, 750, 750 to 800, right? So it is still pretty bullish. We could be breaking above 1800 stats. Okay, something to keep in mind, right? And after that, we're going to take a look at it. It is a long-term hold. It is not, for me, a short-term hold, right? Something to keep in mind going forward. Okay, now let's go ahead and review R&D. R&D. We talked about R&D before the breakout in our live stream. So sucker broke out 150%, right? Just hit like 0.618. Beautiful setup right here. It is still a good hold, right? If you bought it when we talk about it, right? So we were looking for this range. Actually, we were looking for 27, right? 27 to 3,000. Take profit. We broke above it, dipped down. It is still a good buy, because we could be potentially looking for all the way up to 5,000 area, right? So still a good hold. So it could be dangerous to just jump in right now, as we already pumped a lot. But you know, if you've been holding it, it is still a good hold. Okay, so now let's go ahead and Let's go ahead and take a look at SCRT. So SCRT network could be moving sideways, right? Still, so beautiful accumulation right here. So just need to wait for a confirmation on the MACD. No sign of reversal yet. We should get a breakout very soon, but that it is going to be just like the initial bottom formation. Okay, if we get this breakout right here, it's gonna come back down again right there, just like CHR. We talked about CHR last time before the 40% breakout. If you watch that live stream, you could have caught that, right? So I'm giving you one of the best analysis. That's what I told you on CHR right here. But CHR doesn't look like it wants to come back down. But the main thing is, like, you know, buy the dip right here, take profit, wait for it to cool off. If not, we could break out further. You take it to the upside up to basically 800 sat. But if you got in at 550, 600 sat, bad guys, you took it all the way up to 800, right? So we talk about it live. So we could get another move just like that on CHR. One chain, let's take a look at one. Satoshi calling once again, saying BTC is going to 80K. One chain, as we said, we're bullish on one chain. We're looking for further breakout. So you guys already know what we're looking for. So if you are in our public group, you can just check the pin messages, right? And you can find the one chain setup. Okay, we hit our target, guys, beautifully. Okay, 2,700 to 3,000 range. It dipped down, crit. I told you, buy the sucker again, low 2,000. It's already over like 25%. Okay, so you took profit, 2,800, 3,000, get back in, low 2,000, guys. So you get one of the best analysis. But if you don't want to do all of that, you just suck it up, wait for the 4,000 target next. Okay, 4,500. Pretty bullish. Okay, I don't know if Wing is going to 3x. I don't know, but Wing already gave you the setup and everything, so it is still a good hold. Fella. All right, guys. So I think that most of you guys already checked your request, right? So let's take a look at OLT. I don't know if this guy say LOL or OLT. OLT. So OLT looks pretty good. Breakout above the 100 EMA retest. So consolidating right here. Nice support. We could be getting the next move up very soon. Okay, very soon. Beautiful setup. I love the setup. Okay, I love these type of setups. I don't have no position on it, right? That's my first time actually analyzing it. I know it's on KuCoin because I was adding all the KuCoins coins, right, that are not available on Binance. I got a list of all of them right now. So I can basically if I go right here, I got all these suckers right here. All these KuCoins coins are not available on Binance. Okay, and I got some on my watch list, like these suckers like CBC, COV, but I'm still watching them, right? VSY, right? VSY, I'm watching it closely. This sucker gonna break out very soon, but we will see. Okay, we will talk about it when we get when we get the proper setup. And WC also was watching it, but never talk about it in our group right here. But because I can talk about all these suckers, man. These suckers are all of them pretty bullish. This sucker gonna blast off NWC. Okay, just I wouldn't say like we missed it, but just was too busy. Okay, so still look pretty good. Could be going all the way up to like 2,500 sats right there. Right now we just bought like 1,200, so pretty much similar to ASD, right? That's the same setup. That's one of the reasons why I'm not basically even like interested, right? Because it is the same setup as ASD. We will see which one will pump first, right? HPB, right? It is gonna blast off also, right? We will see what once we break above the 100 EMA. MTV also, you know, look pretty accumulative right here. Yeah, MTV also looks pretty accumulative at 6 sats, right? So we could be breaking 11 sats and pump all the way up to basically 27 sats. Wow. CXO also looks pretty much like ICX right here, double top, double bottom. So we basically get the same setup right here as ICX, so it's gonna blast off, right? BTM, we still need some time to develop, right? But it's still pretty bullish, okay? So we talk about credit, right? Credit, we talked about credit when sucker was right here. It is still bull flagging, so we're gonna be looking for a breakout all the way up to like nearly 500. We talk about when this sucker when it was like 100 sats, 120, right? So we're already up massively. VRA, Varsity, that's one of our best performing coin right here. We talk about it in our premium when sucker was like 2 sats, 1.5 sats. Right now we like 42 sats. Okay, that's the type of setup you get with Send Crypto, kind of like Harmony. You buy at 10 sats, you sell at 400 sats. CELR, you buy like 15 sats, 20 sats, and you're going to be selling at 250, 300 sats, 400 sats, stuff like that. Okay, that's the type of setup we get in our premium. Okay, BNS, beautiful setup in our premium. Got a complete video for credit, VRA, BNS, EWT, Dragon Chain, ADB, right, and Bolt, and they're all blasted off like in like less than a week, right? So Dragon Chain still bull flagging right here. We got a potential move all the way up, guys, to 1,300. So we talk about Dragon when sucker was like 250, guys. That's crazy, man. 250 right here, bull flag right there. Okay, we're looking for 500% move, just like what we did right here with BNS. 500% move, guys. That's what we look for. We don't look for 10%, man. We don't look for 10%. We don't look for 10%, right? Market is pretty bullish. I already talked about KAVA, so just scroll back maybe like 20 minutes or so. You're gonna check out KAVA, right? So yeah, let's do this, right? Let's check out my private live stream, right? Okay, take a look at my private live stream on the 16th, right? But I send the setup like I think on the 14th or 12th. So ADB, BNS, Bolt, Credit, Dragon Chain, EWT, VRA. That's the type of setup you get. Data, OXD, CHR. We got all these setups, guys, like ready to basically blast off. Okay, Tezos, I don't have to talk about it, guys. Every profits we make, we have to buy Tezos. Okay, just like I said regarding ADA, I don't give like some of these macro targets. I don't give setups. I don't not give setups, but I don't talk about them like every day because we already gave the macro setups. Okay, a 10 to 20x move, right? Storage, you see, when we started talking about storage on February 13th, guys, we said stack up some storage, guys. It's gonna basically blast off. Okay, Go BTC, ASD, data, all these suckers, guys, February picks. Okay, they're doing you know, extremely well. And also we got a video about like how to double your ether, okay, by trading these alt, okay. Zilliqa XLM. So that's the type of setup you get, right, with Send Crypto. And you get your weekly updates, right? You know, we talk about RND, Syscoin, Wing, Aeon, POA, you know, beautiful setups for these coins, okay? Last week we talked about all of these suckers, Yo-Yo, QLC, QSP, ARPA is also looking to go crazy, okay? Looking to go crazy, okay? So that's the type of you know, content you get with Send Crypto Premium, right? One of the best macro analysts, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at the chat room before we go ahead and take a look at Ether again. I mean, Crit. Hey, what's up, Robin? I remember what you asked. I know you, Crit. Money UK in the house. Mr. Sia Coin. Matthew in the house. Just bought some AST. Good luck, man. It's like I'm gonna pump, okay? Gonna pump in just a matter of time, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ether. I didn't say Secret doesn't have much upside. All I'm saying is it is still correcting. Okay, it's gonna blast off, but that move might not be the initial move. Okay, if you FOMO on that move, it's gonna pull back again. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ether. So Ethereum, it is still a hold. No need to be panicking, no need to be selling. As I said in my premium group, right, I love the I love the correction right here. We're about to get a crazy breakout from Ether, guys. Our 2000 target, we're gonna hit it. It is just a matter of time, okay? It is still a hold. I'm not leveraging it, I'm still holding. So but not looking to sell at any given time, right? So still looking pretty juicy, okay? Beautiful double bottom at the 21 EMA, just like Litecoin. We talk about Litecoin. You can see like Ether, we got a resistance at 1971, okay? 1971, 1944, break above it, moonshot, okay? Moonshot, all right? Beautiful setup, okay? Beautiful setup. A potential bearish setup could be just to drop right here, drop back down to shake out all the weak hands, and then we're gonna go to the upside. Also possible, okay? So keep that in mind. So if you're leveraging, keep it low just in case the you know, the bearish pattern ended up playing out, right? But as of now, the bullish pattern is the most probable setup, okay? Can we drop right here? Absolutely we can, but the most probable setup is like continuation, okay? You swap your ADA for Tezos, or you swap your Tezos for ADA. I mean, you just got to get the timing right, you know, just got to get the timing right. So join the premium, right, and you're gonna get all, you know, all those setups, like Filecoin from $20 to $150, from $20 to like a $400, okay? That's the type of setup you get, right? Let's go back to ICX. So ICX 3-day time frame, I'm loving it. I love the 2-day time frame. We already talked about it. You know, KAVA, I'm just gonna go back to KAVA. Also, right, breaking out, beautiful support at the 3-day time frame, right here, right? Beautiful support. Did not cross bearish, so we just need to break above like 6.3 and moonshot, okay? All right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. All right, so I'm keep it short today. We're gonna go live later on. So we're gonna talk about BEL. Hey, what's up, Wonder Boy? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Dr. Mink in the house. What's up? Thanks a lot for tuning in. We're gonna talk about CTXC. Wonder Boy, you in the premium. So if you have any question, just send it in the premium. CTXC, you know that's one of our top pick for April. So no need to be worrying about CTXC. It's gonna blast off, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at CTXC for you. CTXC. Yeah, CTXC, yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, beautiful wicks. You know, it is one of the only setup, right? I got like some wicks. Everything else, like, I got smooth uptrends. Okay, this sucker got some wicks, but it's gonna blast off. It is just a matter of time, right? It's gonna give us a crazy move. Hopefully sometime in April or May, but it is still a good hold, right? I don't mind holding it till like even December, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching, man.